Hey, if you're a tax pro looking to earn more without filing more returns, this video is for you. Let's talk about how the money works when you become a service bureau with TaxShield. Mike was an ERO. Mike used to buy tax software every single year just to run his tax office. But then he became a service bureau with TaxShield, and now he sells branded software licenses to other tax professionals and gets paid for every license he successfully sells. This year, in his first year, he sold 7 licenses at $1,500 each. When you do the math, that's $10,500 in Mike's pocket before the tax season even began. Then, every one of those EROs filed a return that has a funded bank product attached to it. Mike earns an additional $50 every time those returns get funded. So let's say each ERO processed 30 of those returns. That's another $10,500 in Mike's personal pocket, but it's separate from the $10,500 that he earned at the beginning of the year simply from selling software licenses. So when you add those two numbers together, this year Mike earned $21,000 by simply providing software to tax professionals. This is the power of multiplying your earnings by helping other tax professionals succeed. Want to see what your earnings could look like? Use our free calculator and it'll show you your personalized revenue projection based on your goals. And the cool thing is here at TaxShield, we'll walk you step by step along the way and explain exactly how to get started. Tap the link below to schedule your call today, and let's build your plan together.